Abusia GH Big Mouth TV esuni ha won subscribe ya make sure say o be subscribe e di amame abusia ade bi asi o internet ni so ama Ghana fo bebre na ani age ade a etimi asi o internet yi so onim say CAF Women's Champions League a etuda 2023 2024 season no Ghana omo gina anem a omo si akan de mai eba ema na famu a ampem dakwa ladies omo enetimi agina Ghana enaimu esi akan ewo CAF Women's Champions League ekoso 2023 2024 season nane ena ampem dakwa etimi esi akan ewo tournament ekoso yo na kanse ba we na so metimi ewini 2-0 ababa wa ye frɛ no Comfort Yeboah ena etimi ebo 2 goals no nyina enso edema Ghana omankonkron Ghana na after the game no ana ababa we etimi toaso etimi winning woman of the match edema ampem dakwa ladies na game bia no nimse se game no utimi si akan 90 minutes na so bem kra na bayi yen sachrai bi na utimi winning woman of the match and I say man of the match kra na after that interview be them ekoso after match interview because so ma journalist for no ebusa on semi fa game no ho ampem da kwa ladies game no ebawie no ababa we friend Comfort Yeboah etimi wini woman of the match no ena dem penifo atwene se omombra anas ombra na omumbusa na no 1 or 2 questions bi emfa ni game no nene ababa we ayade bi a Ghana for FA pa na ebra interview ano ebusa no bibi erefa game na omusi akan omutimi ewini 2 goals no ababa always stay true to herself speaking in local dialogue no which is tree no anoma translator translated the interview ano empempi na ade obohu bia na isibo Spanish football anase bia Argentine football bi anase Brazil omo football mu league na bonze nipa ne yebusa ne brofo na oka ne krom kasa na translator so translate edama interviewer nemum ene Comfort den Yeboah etimi aye saade a Ghana fo bebre na eden eni etimi age ho yi
Maniji say really.
She's very happy that we've won. Yeah.
Oh, so now tell us about the match. How was it for her? How was like everything for her?
Ose match na nkasa no na etese ma ho. Sen na uhuno.
Na enye easy sa na mu adri ba fight say be win match no.
It wasn't easy at all. It was such a difficult match, but we fought and then we were able to win.
And for at last, what were the coach's instructions during the game? And was it already was everything good?
Oh, but so bisa say, coach, ugina hono instruction no de mamo nsem no oka echem na na se eboa mo na
eboa e kwa dressing room wakasa e kama say second half you may prove you wrong.
It helped a lot, especially when we went to the dressing room. The coach spoke to us. And then he assured us that we can do it, so we should go out and do it. Okay. And it helps us.
Thank you.
It's so lovely. It's so they say one hand all those say and they say ababa one I find it Comfort Yeboah no enti brofo nemum o Felice obeka no krom kasa because ni krom kasa no and okan obetimi flow ye empempire especially mema no si e bogim we kra na brofo ontia muso ko gino na for ototo papa so or the adjective she now mu no the adverb she pronoun mu be ne Comfort Yeboah as stay true to herself wetimi akai local dialogue na you see no e be ya disua e da to ho e di ama Ghana for place ni biblibe no mo na omuntimi nka brofo no entoatoa so wawa no almost be translator neso mo katwi na translator no so a translate ediama the interviewer na that time no obe interview mo no abusuo ba mu hu adwenkyerɛ mfamfa adefefa Comfort Yeboah osina kan edema ampem dakwa ladies aye after say omo CAF Women's Champions League the omo bomutimi ewini 2 goals to nothing ababa we etimi toaso ewini woman of the match wetimi ayade fefe ma mu adwenkyerɛ ewo comment section honum we nso like video yi na share ema afoforo enso enye binhwe aha GH Big Mouth TV.